Design Crowd Freelance Honest Review Watch Before Using. Design Crowd Freelance Honest Review Watch Before Using. You might think hiring a designer is expensive and slow, but the surprising truth is that crowdsourced platforms can deliver high-quality designs quickly and affordably. Design Crowd is a freelance marketplace specializing in design work. It connects businesses with thousands of designers worldwide for logos, websites, packaging, and more. Unlike traditional hiring, you submit a brief, receive multiple design submissions, and only pay for the one you love. Most people get this wrong, thinking that crowdsourced design means low-quality work. In reality, Design Crowd has quality controls, designer portfolios, and review systems to ensure professional results. You can also offer feedback to refine designs before making a final selection. The surprising truth is that businesses often get better results from multiple designers competing than from hiring a single freelancer. It provides a variety of creative perspectives, which can be invaluable for branding. Design Crowd is best for startups, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who need professional design work without committing to a full-time hire. If you want faster, more creative design solutions while staying on budget, Design Crowd is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more freelance and creative platform reviews.